Hello friends, I hope all of you are doing good. Today video is about top 10 anti-aging creams, so let's get started. Number first comes Olay Regenerist Night Recovery Cream. This is very hydrating. It feels so nice to apply. It absorbs quickly into your skin. Super soft. On number second, it comes L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Bright Reveal Cream that is having SPF 30. This is super moisturizing and gives a fresh look to your mature skin. On number third, there is cream Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair, which is also having SPF 30. This is super hydrating, plumping, and very affordable. This contains synthetic fragrance. Number four comes Fresh Black Tea Foaming Corset Cream. It will help you a lot to maintain your young look. On number 5, there comes Rock Skincare Multi-Korean Deep Wrinkle Night Cream. This comes in very small amount. This is a drawback for some people, but it's affordable and you will see noticeable results within few days. On number 6, there is Philosophy Anti-Wrinkle Miracle Overnight Cream that will moisturize your skin and also rejuvenate it. So on number 7th, there comes Skin Better Science Alphabet Overnight Cream. This seems to be very effective for the mature skin. So on number 8, there is a Mary Kay Time Wise Antioxidant Night Cream, which is effective for combination skin type. I hope you will like the video. And for watching more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.